YouTube, back again with another vlog. It's your boy Phantom Q5th, aka Tony Tone on the scene. We got another car meet again at Green Acres, but this time it's by Target. You feel me? It's not by Green Acres, it's by Target, but it's still by Green Acres. You feel me? Back at it again. We got the Q's out. Ah, man. You know I gotta get that in the vlog. Nah, that shit is tough. Oh, this shit tough.
Nah, this shit clean.
I'm saying though, type shit. It's a machine right here. You feel me? Oh my God. Nah. That's hard. No diddy. Hey! Yo! Nah. Let's go, Gucci gang. I'm not even gonna be mad at you, but I'm not even gonna say nothing. Nigga really took the bonnet off. You went crazy. God damn, look at the goddamn tires. Nah, this shit is fire. I'm not even gonna lie. Y'all not really gonna hear me talking a lot in the vlog, but just know these shits is tough. But them tires is, yo boy. Yo bro, you getting more grip than. Don't lie. Mr. I Am Brisk. I'm saying you want a vlog, gang? Nah, Teron, you gotta see this. Oh my God. Nigga, this shit is so fucking tough. Of course. We got my boy Cash in the building. Nah. No funny shit though.
You see me?
You said how we gonna get up? Oh my goodness. Oh no, he went crazy. I'm just vlogging everything at this point, nigga.
Hell yeah. Damn.
Yo, I gotta.
This whole vlog is like freaking blurry, damn.
Damn, don't tell me the vlog is done, so gang.
Damn, this shit might be shirts.